about MILFs? MILFs? You're talking about MILFs.
Talking about what?
MILFs. I am a hot MILF. Mother in your area wants to fuck you. Single mother in your area wants you.
Dude, I'm like, I'm craving. I'm
You wanna play
craving.
tag?
Craving what, Bubba?
Hamburger.
Bubba's
I'm
craving
craving-
Lothar dressed as a mom.
Oh,
No.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going next Halloween. Next Halloween I'm gonna go as that. Just come to Isabella's house. Hey, honey.
What's your tips? What's your tips?
My tips is boob implants and butt. There, tips right there.
That's not tips. Are you
What the hell
fucking
is tips?
stupid?
Shut up, Jose. Yeah.
I want to go upstairs and grab my phone.
America's in your area. America's in your area. America's in your area.
oh, I see nothing.
Whoever comes,
Dude, the women, dude, they're having a good old time. Rooney and
Only
Doc.
for guys. Only for guys. Only for guys.
No more dog.
That was so hard to.
Wait, okay, hold on. How? What kind of photo should I take, Quinn? I'll take one right now.
You know
nude.
what he wants.
No, not nude.
Feet. Thigh pics
No, not of my face.
of your face.
Yes.
Can
Can you bend that far?
Behind your
Can you
head.
take a picture of your dick, print it out, tape it on your forehead, and then take a selfie?
What would you do if I actually just said something?
Actually, I would.
We should test that out. Let's test that theory, Luca.
See, I'd do it if you weren't so sus sometimes.
Not yet. Shut up. No.
Yes, you
I'm gonna
are.
be.
Your
Well,
mom.
see,
This
no,
is-
Luca.
this is-
Say you're
counterintuitive.
trying to send
You
it to
want me
me
to
and then
act straight
accidentally
so that-
send it to Quinn.
Oh, whoops. Didn't
Luca.
mean it.
You want me to act straight so that I can see your cock? I'm getting mixed messages, man.
Wait, where are we going?
I don't know. We're looking for him.
Oh, why?
Stop. She didn't even say anything. Just stop.
Shane, stop yelling at us to rise again.
They're off the goop. I saw scope went 250
Where?
or 240.
I know that.
240. It's going to.
I don't see it either. Is
That
it
thing
fake?
shining.
Oh, he's
I'm gonna
pushing
do
down
some
the hill.
teabagging. Give me a minute.
Hey,
Cap,
free
cap,
style.
cap, 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 cap.
I'm not gonna freestyle.
Freestyle,
You're a pussy.
freestyle, freestyle.
Freestyle.
Oh, no.
Do it.
PR, if I say freestyle, will you freestyle?
My name is Quinn. I am a homosexual.
Dude, he left. He was done after that.
You don't like that one?
No, he lagged out and then he left.
We know, Lana.
Oh.
It's literally just
I
in a little
always
pool.
got men on my dick because I'm that crazy cool.
You really know how to rhyme, my guy.
Yeah.
I always got men on my
Low-key
dick because I'm
bumper.
that crazy cool. Low-key bumper.
that was the single worst fucking attempt at just living I've ever heard.
I'm not saying I can.
Those have like 63 slots, right?
Yeah.
So it's a 20 increase. Oh, there's another mountain backpack in here.
Oh, say less, dude. Fuck my knife. I'm using brass knuckles from now on.
You're gonna say fuck my butt again.
Dude, tickle my Jimmy, that's just cool.
Time.
What did you find, Eden?
Hopping
I wasn't paying
on.
attention.
Brass knuckles. Can I try them on you? Just
No.
curious if they hurt or not. Oh, a
can
grandma. Get
guarantee
over
you
here.
It's my kill. It's my kill. It's my kill. It's my kill. It's my
Did you
kill.
find Eden?
Grandma to kill. I think the brass knuckles
I'm on
hurt.
for the
Oh,
fourth
I
hit.
found pants
I'm
that
on
aren't
for the
ruined.
ace. No, I didn't get
Oh,
it.
you found the
It's fault I walked in front of him. It still happened.
There's a zombie in here. Get out of here,
Wait, guys,
asshole.
there's scaffolding going up to the police station. You need to wall
Yeah,
that off.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
I'm dropping my tire in my home. I'm dropping my tire in my home. And Eden, get your helmet out of my home.
What?
Get your tire
What
out of
was
my
that?
house.
Oh, I
Actually, wait,
killed
Thomas.
them.
Hang
They
on,
just
wait, I need my
fell
helmet.
through the
Oh.
ground.
Thomas, do you know what
Why?
dial you changed?
Oh, nice.
What the? Give me out of the box.
Lothar, why are you in the basement?
People, I'm not in the basement. What do you mean, bro?
Already
I don't know
killed
what
Val.
the
Okay,
Val's
Val's
yeah, he
trying
got
to
put
spawn
down.
peek me.
She was the one throwing. What? Oh, wait. Was she? No, that's me.
Edge
There's two by white
died.
Edgewise has been murdered.
Edgewise is being yeah,
I
whatever
forgot
he
there's
said.
a hatch over there.
Yeah, that's what I just realized too. Edgewise. Oh, she says, shut the fuck up, bitch! Okay.
What did you just use 6x?